you for joining us on the news updates on Enyimba TV. I am Mary Ihejirika. The high inflation rate in Nigeria, which stood at 32.15% in August 2024, has significantly impacted the cost of cooking gas, with Abia State among the regions hardest hit by the price surge. According to data from the National Bureau of Statistics, (NBS), Rivers recorded the highest average retail price for the refilling of a 2.5 kg cylinder of liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) at 17,086 naira 36 kobo, followed by Cross River at 17,050 naira and Abia at 17,012 naira 52 kobo, reflecting a sharp increase year on year and making Abia one of the states with the highest LPG prices in the country. Despite the federal government's removal of value-added tax (VAT) on cooking gas in October 2023, prices in Abia have continued to rise. Speaking to residents of the city who explained their ordeal in navigating the high costs, Mrs. Margaret Odo, a mother of 4, said cooking gas is a necessity for her and the high price has affected her family budget, forcing her to consider other unhealthy alternatives. Mr. Ima Oga, a trader, said the high cost of cooking gas is affecting his business and livelihood. The high cost of cooking gas has led to increased use of firewood and charcoal, reduced economic productivity, and higher food prices. Please join us for more updates in our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. On behalf of the production team, I am Mary Ihejirika. Do have yourself an amazing day.